Ever wondered how to make sense of your data in an easy and interactive way? Welcome to the world of Power BI, a solution that turns raw data into meaningful insights through interactive visuals and comprehensive reports. The first step in this journey is connecting Power BI to your data sources. Picture a company with sales data stored in an Excel file. Power BI can easily connect to this file, drawing out all the relevant data ready for analysis. Once the data is connected, the transformation begins. Power BI has the capability to cleanse the data, removing any duplicates, renaming columns, and even merging data from different sources. Imagine the sales data has redundant entries. No problem. Power BI filters them out, ensuring the accuracy of the information. The next stage involves data modeling. Power BI allows the creation of relationships between different data sets, revealing hidden insights. Consider sales data that includes customer information and product details. Power BI can link these, analyzing which products are popular among certain customer demographics. Now comes the exciting part: visualization. Power BI provides an array of visualization options, from charts and graphs to maps and tables. Users can create a bar chart to observe sales performance over time, or a map to pinpoint regional sales distribution. But it doesn't stop at visuals. Power BI enables the creation of interactive reports and dashboards by combining multiple visuals. Imagine a sales dashboard that includes revenue trend charts, a geographical sales distribution map, and slices for data filtering by date, product, or region. Sharing is caring, and Power BI understands this. It allows users to securely share their reports and dashboards with others, both inside and outside their organization. A sales manager, for instance, can share a Power BI dashboard with the sales team, ensuring everyone stays updated on key performance metrics. For those who love to dive deep into data, Power BI offers advanced data analysis features. Using DAX or data analysis expressions, users can calculate custom metrics or measures. For instance, creating a DAX formula to calculate the total sales revenue for a specific product category becomes an achievable task. To sum it up, Power BI is an empowering tool that allows users to explore, analyze, and visualize data effectively. It facilitates data-driven decision-making across various domains like sales, marketing, finance, and operations. It's not just about having data, it's about understanding it. And Power BI is the key to unlocking those insights.